Hello everyone. Nature never stops reminding us how incredible our planet really is. From rare natural phenomena to unforgettable encounters, today's video is filled with moments you won't want to miss. Let's get started. In Barranquilla, Colombia, heavy rainfall turned ordinary streets into fast-moving rivers powerful enough to carry vehicles away. For seals, a quiet place to rest is hard to pass up. In some coastal areas, it's not unusual to find them making themselves at home on city streets. Do you know what this is? Let us know in the comments below. Sometimes, it only takes a few seconds for an ordinary delivery to turn into a massive cleanup operation. Peaceful encounters like this are a beautiful reminder that wildlife is never too far away. Volcanic activity doesn't always happen at the top of a mountain. Sometimes, molten lava finds its way to the surface through openings in the ground.
That's the stuff right there, folks. Look at this. What's going on?
When large sections of ice break away from glaciers, they can generate powerful waves that travel surprisingly far. Boat operators often steer towards the wave, allowing them to ride over it more safely.
Whoa!
Once a bridge has suffered severe structural damage, it can collapse without warning. That's why keeping a safe distance is always the right decision.
New lava flow on the street. This is the road to the Blue Lagoon.
Nature can change a landscape in an instant, and avalanches are one of the clearest examples of that.
दादा दारू नहीं खान्यू कहीं मकोट फिकर का थे भाई आज यू मेरा अजान नहीं खाया
Son of they're on the power lines. Come on. Don't cross them too. Or arc them. Don't arc them. Just... They lucked out.
Even a small navigational error can have costly consequences when a vessel of this size is involved. This is definitely not the kind of visitor most people expect to see at their front gate. Strong winds can turn loose debris into dangerous projectiles, especially around overhead power lines.
How crazy, guys.
Uh-oh.
Nothing's controlling them.
All right.
Rounding up dozens of loose horses takes patience, teamwork, and experienced riders. Even from a distance, the sheer force of an avalanche is impossible to ignore. Hail may only last a few minutes, but the damage can take weeks or even months to repair.
Oh my God. Every car, every one. I don't think there's one.
While the truck didn't stay on its wheels, the good news was that every animal escaped safely.
Ese sí es culebra. Y es podrito esta vaina, estamos en la maldita montaña aquí, güey. Puta, ¿qué opinas, Napo? Sí, es una...
This towering wall of dust may look like a tsunami, but it's actually one of nature's most powerful sandstorms. It may seem unreal, but sandstorms like this can block out the sun and plunge entire areas into darkness. A burst water main in Los Angeles turned an ordinary street into an unexpected attraction. An overheated underground transformer can create enough pressure to send flames bursting through a manhole cover. Heavy rainfall can weaken rocky slopes, increasing the risk of dangerous rock falls. It may look unbelievable, but these fish were released after contaminated water forced a fish farm to empty its ponds. What looks like a giant net is actually a massive web built by thousands of spiders. This may look like a battlefield, but it was actually a massive celebration by football supporters in Mostar, Bosnia.
He's going! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
Cliff collapses can happen without warning, which is why keeping a safe distance is always the best choice. Few natural events are as dramatic as watching molten lava flow directly into the ocean. Seeing machines face off like this feels more like a movie than real life.
Ooh, some. Wow, 别的无人机全部加入。哇，别的。哇，别的无人机转配备。
During strong winds, it's best to stay away from large trees, as falling branches can be extremely dangerous.
Holy! This is insane!
After heavy rain, mountainsides can quickly become unstable, triggering destructive landslides with little warning. Judging by their interaction, this doesn't seem like their first encounter. Where are you watching from? Let us know in the comments below. When rock slides begin, staying in the area is never worth the risk. Mount Shinmodake is one of Japan's most active volcanoes, capable of powerful explosive eruptions.
No, pues se va a cerrar. Está llegando el huaico, primera vez que veo esta cantidad de agua. ¡Ay, mamacita, mira, ya lo tumbó al árbol! ¡Lo tumbó al árbol! ¡Ay, mamá, qué es esto, Dios! Mamacita, ¿qué es esto? ¡Qué horrible!
the lowest rainbow I've seen in my life. That looks bloody cool.
If you guys are still here, thank you guys for watching. If you like to see more, do support us by giving a like and subscribing the channel. Your small action can help our channel massively to bring you new videos. Bye for now.